Meet our qualified income calculator, the fast, hassle-free way to calculate borrower income. Just upload paystubs or W-2s, and our AI instantly breaks down qualifying income. No manual math, no delays. It smartly handles bonuses, overtime, and commissions, factoring them in automatically. For self-employed borrowers, it analyzes tax returns, finds Schedule C income, and calculates everything in seconds, saving hours of work. You get a detailed income report, ready for underwriting, with results auto-filled into the 1003, no manual entry needed. The impact: 3+ hours saved per file, 85% fewer errors, and pre-quals done 2.5 times faster. The qualified income calculator turns income verification into a one-click process.